Hello, this is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises. This is our third video for introduction to logic elements. As you will know that now we are going to deal with the application. Today we find logic elements applied in the drive and control of presses, injection molding and die casting machines, machine tools, especially in broaching machines. Further applications are in the steel industry, mobile hydraulics. Application in these areas has resulted from the specific requirement of these installation and characteristics of logic elements. They are only applied where economic and where technical advantage over conventional hydraulic products are to be found. Each case must therefore be studied individually. So, the main advantage of logic elements can be listed as follows: large flow range, compact installation dimensions, directional pressure and flow control valve functions of simple functions within a single unit, pressure, light, sealing dependent upon control, extremely short operational times possible, gentle operation possible, minimal pressure peaks, unlimited holding time, minimal wear, long service life, high functional reliability, practically no power limits, high permissible operating pressures, standardized installation of dimensions. Due to the complexity of modern pilot controls and without closer knowledge of the characteristics of these elements, understanding and judging these elements is very difficult. This gives rise to the saying which was once made in connection with logic elements. Logic elements are both famous and infamous. One can do practically any time with them, but they do practically anything they wish if one does not understand their characteristic. The following example, description and notes should help to ensure that second part of this saying will no longer apply to you. So we know that the main advantage of logic elements can be listed as we have shown you: large flow range, compact installation dimensions, directional pressure and flow control valve functions or multiple functions within a simple unit, pressure tight sealings dependent upon control, extremely short operational times possible, gentle operation possible, minimum pressure peaks, unlimited holding time, minimum wear, long service life, high functional reliability, practically no power limits, high permissible operating pressure, standardized installation. So further we will give you more examples of application of introduction to these cartridge valves. Thank you.